Even though I feel scared and angry, I still love and respect myself. Still love and respect myself.
Success, achievements, money, cock, promotion. Money, cock, promotion.
Look, you're late every day.
I love you.
Your breath smells.
You're angry, seething. And you know people are calling you Scottish.
I'm not Scottish. So are you single, Pete?
I find women intolerable.
Right.
I'm gonna go home and wank over your Instagram pictures, okay? But only the ones with your mouth closed.
Welcome to my life.
How long are you staying for?
Indefinitely. We should go and watch people being happy.
Every wife, respect your husband!
I'm what you call a post feminist.
Just an original woman.
What is going on here?
She used to be such a funny child. She used to write these little love letters and then often little death threats.
I want to unveil myself to you one piece at a time so that I can talk you through what I physically hate about myself.
You're broken, Mandy.
I want a 5-hour day.
You believe in heaven!
I want to make stew that keeps.
You don't need to make stew.
I want a man.
Man will always send you mad, man.
Even though I feel scared and angry, I still love and respect